What's going on YouTube? Not your average habit, back with another vid. And you know, today's the big day. You know, big resonator delete coming. But you know, it's cold. As you can see, you know, putting air in them tires. Hope to just stop. As you know, tire pressure light was on. Cold weather. That'll make that happen. But you know, switch it up. Stay tuned. It's gonna be a good day. Oh yeah, another thing. You know, new camera, so let me know how you guys liking the quality. Is the quality a little bit better? Was it worth it? This is the brand new iPhone, the 12 Pro Max. So you feel me? Let me know, guys. But yeah, you guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, you know, comment down below, you know, all that good stuff. But yeah, it's gonna be a good video today. Like I said, big resonator delete. Already got the muffler delete, so gotta really open my car up now. Sound good. I'm gonna get some more gurgles and pops out. You know I love that. But yeah, first things first. You know, putting air in the tires. Then I gotta get my emissions test done. Then once that's done, shoot straight to the exhaust shop, and yeah, we gonna get it done. But stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be a banger, you know. Alrighty, guys, on my way to the emission spot. Be mobile. You know, I had to do that. Oh, another one. You know, it's mandatory, baby. You know. Alright, YouTube. I'm pulled up at the emission spot. This is a certain spot I had to come to because I guess it's close to the New Year, so you know, I guess they close. They gave their employees, you know, a few days off, so they don't come back to January 4th. So I'm at a little self-service kiosk, but this line, boy, I'm gonna sell a little brick. I'm like, oh my goodness, hurry up! But and after this, then you know, straight to the spot. Stay tuned, baby. Alright guys, so the emission test was a failed attempt. Fortunately, couldn't help me for some reason. So I ain't tripping on that. But I'm at the muffler shop, as you can see. And we all done, baby. You know. I know you wanna know how it sounds. My God. Until next time, gone.